Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple moisturizing and cleansing pack. For this you will need some cornstarch, some wheat flour, some ground coffee, not instant coffee, ground coffee, some olive oil. You can use olive oil or coconut oil, and some water, and a bowl and a spoon. First add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into your bowl. Next add in 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Give it a nice mix. Now add in enough water to make a thick paste, something about the consistency of a cake batter. You see it's very thick, so you need to add a little more water. Add a little more. And there you have it, a simple but effective pack. Now the amount of oil you add depends upon your skin type. If you have oily skin, use 1 tablespoon oil. If you have dry skin, use 3 tablespoons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.